Hey everybody, it's Bobby B here coming at you with another great video. In today's video, we're going to show you how to replace the interior light bulb. We're going to go step by step on the details to help you out. If you don't mind, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. I'd surely appreciate it. All right, let's get into it.
The first thing you need to do is remove the light cover. It is a lot easier if you use a small flat head screwdriver. After you remove the cover, you can use the same flat head and remove the light bulb.
Hey everybody, it's Bobby B here again. And thanks for watching this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. I would surely appreciate it.
Now go ahead and install your new light bulb and test it before you install the light cover. Be careful when reinstalling the light cover and make sure you line up the locking clips. Congratulations, you now know how to replace the light bulb.
Oh, whoa! You're still watching? Must have done something right on this video. Well, if you haven't already, then go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. I would surely appreciate it. Well, that's a wrap on this one. Bobby B out till next time.